We occasionally get patients who want to leave the ward, can present as quite hostile, and the interaction's been recorded.
It's only when an incident begins to occur that what we do is we announce the fact that we're going to start recording the incident, and that's when the cameras are employed.
The second we can see something escalating or bubbling, if that makes sense, we're aware that maybe it's the right time to switch it on.
Every team day, every supervision, we're highlighting, the importance of turning the cameras on. You don't have to wait until you're faced with the incident, because they can always be turned off.
It doesn't feel like you're carrying something that big and offensive and obstructive. So especially during restraint situations, staff don't feel like they're being impeded by something that's obstructing them.
They just clip onto the member of staff's uniform. It's not the first thing that you see when you look at the member of staff.
I feel that it's lightweight, sometimes almost feel like it's part of me.